This is Jessica from Hay to See Automotive, and we have here your 2008 Chevy Cobalt. As you can see, it has snow here, and it has froze over a little bit. Tried getting the snow off for you, but couldn't get quite. Bring you to the tires, show you the alloy chrome finish rims with the Primewell tires. Bring you to the front and show you the halogen lights. Here we'll pop up the trunk. Show you the engine. Close her up. Bring you over to the driver's side. Open the door. Have automatic locks, automatic windows. Here's your cruise control and all your controls. You have CD, AM, FM radio. Pop the trunk real quick for you too. You did that. I think you can. A little iced over. I'll show you the trunk space. Again, this is Jessica from Hay to See Automotive with the 2008 Chevy Cobalt. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 419-562-5806 and let me know how I can help. Thank you.